In this video, I'll show you how to make a Dropbox folder public so you can easily share or collaborate with others. First, log into your Dropbox account and head to your home page. Find the folder you want to share. Then click the share button. Dropbox gives you two options: invite specific people or create a link. Since we are making the folder public, choose create link. Now adjust the settings so it says anyone with the link can access the folder. You can decide whether people can view only or also edit the contents. If this tutorial is helping you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Dropbox guides. Once your permissions are set, click copy link. Paste it wherever you want, email, chat or social media, and your folder is now public. That's it, you've successfully shared your folder and you can always return to settings if you want to change access later.